Hello everyone, myself Jitin Kumar here. Let me discuss about some basic concepts of digital marketing and the future of digital marketing and its usages in the present video. I'm going to discuss here about digital marketing, the phase of a business. In this video, I would generally discuss about introduction of marketing and content, digital versus traditional mediums, types of digital marketing, usage of digital marketing, and the future of digital marketing. Let me start with the introduction to digital marketing. According to Philip Kotler, marketing is all defined in just six letters: C, C, D, V, T, P. To summarize it, creating, communicating, delivering, value addition, targeting, and profit. Creating a product, communicating using the product, delivering the product, adding some value to the product, and targeting the customers and making the profits is simply known as marketing. But whatever the marketing is, we do all know there are almost 162 types of marketings: digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, traditional marketing, and many things to be discussed. Whatever the marketing platform you choose, whatever the product might be, whatever the field you are in, content is always the king, because ultimately you're going to communicate with your customers through content. So content is always the king. And next thing, as we are going to discussing about digital marketing, I just repeat the same statement again: the world is running on digital. Even you accept it or not, we know the truth. The world is running on digital. Everything got digitalized: train tickets, bus tickets, flight tickets, movie tickets, autos. Now even we are paying some auto fees and auto taxes, everything via phone pay, Google Pay, Tez, everything got digitalized. From where do we get certificates? Digital certificates. We are consuming some courses via digital platforms, online internet services. Everything has a rapid growth. From we started from 2G, then we came to 3G networks, and later on we are moving to 4G, and later the future is here 5G networks. So to simply sum up, the world is running on digital. We all know that. So as it is running on digital, we prefer, as we all know how digital marketing is going to be, how digital marketing is going to rule the world, we started growing, we started learning towards digital marketing. So before selecting digital marketing, I just wanted to tell the variations between digital marketing and traditional marketing as well. So what is digital marketing? What is traditional marketing? If we started comparing these two, this is not just comparison between two marketing, this is like comparison between two generations. If you ask a guy who is in this generation, they simply tell marketing is all about creating a post, making them on, like publishing them on social media platforms, running ads on digital mediums, email marketing, search engine marketing, websites. All these are the present trends that are going on. And when you ask a person who is not in this generation, who is from past years, he just says marketing. The marketing which I have seen was completely, like newspaper ads, billboard ads, posters, pamphlets, templates, TV ads, radio ads. And when we used to listen, when we are using to listen some radio program, some ads will be, like brew roses, or some brew tea on some ads will be displaying. And in the entire newspaper, we mostly used to see ads like big billion day sales of Flipkart, whatever it may be. These guys, like, who are the market leaders, target both the markets, like digital medium versus they target both digital medium and traditional medium. And when it these are the examples to make it clear. When we are scrolling some news feed on any social media platform, either it may be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, we used to have some uh, post with which states that it was promoted. In the sense ads, we are interrupted with some ads. Mostly you're most familiar with YouTube ads and all these. Everything got displayed. Some email letters will be coming. So if any festival is going to come, then we started receiving some emails from Flipkart, Mintra, Amazon, on any online e-commerce website. We started receiving these things. So this is completely digital marketing and traditional marketing. Though the entire world is running on digital marketing, traditional marketing has its own base. We can't just say that yeah, digital marketing is king, yeah, traditional marketing is king, yeah, digital marketing is there is no competition for digital marketing. There is nothing that concept. The concept is based on the target audience. We must choose a medium. If your target audience are mostly on internet, then we must choose digital marketing. If your target audience are mostly on offline, then we must choose something like traditional marketings where they could reach. So even it might be a digital era, everything has its own basis, everything has its own root causes. There is digital marketing is not greater than traditional marketing, and traditional marketing is not less than digital marketing. Everything has its own base, and everything has its own usages on the present day. And if you started going through digital marketing, we might find four major parts in digital marketing that I think we are all familiar with. But let me show you four things: search engine optimization, search engine marketing, which these both are related to search engines like Google, Yahoo, where our websites got listed, and it's completely related to search engines and the websites. Content, on page SEO, off page SEO, many things are there to be discussed. But I was not here to discuss every each and single point. I was just summarizing the things. And next thing, social media marketing, where we use it to market on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and anything. And social media optimization. And in social media optimization, this is generally like uh, to simply conclude, social media optimization and search engine optimization are completely based on the creator, the person who creates the content. And social media marketing and search engine marketing are completely based on the ads, or like biddings we place on search engines or on ads to get more visitors. When it comes to usage of digital marketing in majorly, I have grasped this information only for metropolitan cities. Let us see how these metropolitan cities use digital marketing in their own regions. In Delhi, 47% of marketing was completely digitalized, and Kolkata, 32% of Kolkata markets were digitalized. 38% of Mumbai's markets were digitalized. In Hyderabad, 27% of marketing was done by a digital medium. In Bengaluru, it is 53%. In Chennai, it is 25%. This information is just an year ago, but in the year 2020, because of these lockdowns, majority of the businesses has started shifting towards digital marketing, because they came to know that digital marketing has its own base. Digital marketing has a huge like suppose if you are using traditional marketing during lockdowns, I think no, there is no huge reach over there. But during these lockdowns, where people are staying in the houses for hours and hours, they started browsing net, they started using YouTubes, and everything are using these smart TVs, Android phones, internet. So there is a wide range to reach audience through digital marketing. That is where in 2020 almost there is a huge growth in the usage of digital marketing and the sales of digital marketing courses as well. And when we started saying present usage of digital marketing is used in various fields and sectors as well. From as I told, death from birth certificate to the death certificate, everything got digitalized in this world. And based on these digital marketing and its advantages, We do have different usages in different fields and sectors. It is also used in e-commerce sector, where all products were, like e-commerce itself represent as, a digital platform, because we all e-commerce just works only on the internet, right? So as it works on the internet, it is simply known as the usage of digital marketing, because it is based on the platforms. It is and a digital platform, websites, e-commerce websites, website itself is a part of digital marketing. The second and third tier companies, these companies improve their online reputations in order to get clients throughout the world. And next, branding of business, food chain, clothing, and other small business needs online branding so that they can catch the people attraction and make them their customers. And even nowadays we start using digital marketing in film industries. The most in film industries, the presence of digital marketing has become critical for more movie promotions, songs, reviews, etc. They are increasing hike and anxiety in the audience. When, 5 years ago or 5 years down the line, we don't have any motion posters. 5 years down the line, we don't have any teasers. But these guys started utilizing digital marketing as a major advantage to create an anxiety among the audience, to make their promotions well. So by taking this as an advantage, by taking digital marketing as an advantage, they started creating some various techniques in promotion. So where we started releasing motion posters, we started seeing teasers, trailers, and all these things, some audio launch functions, song promos, song lyrics, everything. They are just utilizing the digital marketing platform and just creating an anxiety to watch the movie. And the next thing is social services. We can create awareness to the public and also help poor by sharing contents based on the social services. And government departments as well. The departments also focusing on going online for creating awareness to the people and also providing services. The seventh thing is politics. Even our Indian politics has entered into this digital marketing platform. The trendsetter is our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We might have seen after entrance of Modi in the politics as a Prime Minister in India, there is a major shift in digital marketing as well. Because, like, when it comes to the Modi ji, the major portion of his winning was mostly dependent on digital marketing. There might be many factors to win as a Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, but in his winnings, the majority portion is of digital marketing. You might have seen many ads, many posters, many events, Make in India, Digital India, many schemes were implemented by Modi, because even he knows how the future of India is going to be with digitalization. As digitalization is to be done, digital marketing has the future. And how to grow your business. So we have seen the usage of digital marketing, how well digital marketing is used, in which different sectors digital marketing used. But how to grow your business? By using digital marketing, we can also increase our sales and businesses using digital marketing. So we might have seen some promotions. Majority of e-commerce sales were done only based on digital promotions. No no traditional memo. There are very less chances in lead generation or sales conversion via traditional medium, because in traditional medium we have to look over an ad, and then we have to visit our website again, and these all, there are many steps to be covered to convert unknown person as a customer. But in digital marketing, it is made simple. We are always using phones via internet and many things, no? Like, if you are seeing an ad, just by one click we'll be directly redirected into the sales page where he wants to take us. So by using digital marketing, we can also increase our sales on all the things. Next thing, what are the services that comes under digital marketing? Search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media optimization, social media marketing, advert setup, monitoring, analytics setups, blog creation, blog maintenance, domains, hosting, website creations, WordPress, logo making, PPC ads, and poster designings, automation setups, Zapier tools, many services we can provide under digital marketing. Because it has such demand in the market, every sector, every company, either it may be a small scale industry or an top end multinational company, everyone are running behind the digital marketing nowadays because it has such a great presence in the society of, not only in India, everywhere all over the world. Like, even we know what's the main purpose of internet. It's just to increase our connections among the people, either it may be an interstate or intrastate, wherever it might be, interstate or intrastate or intercountry or intra-country. We started increasing our connections using internet, Facebook. And because utilizing of this digital marketing, we also started creating some sales, some connections, some branding all over the world. So there are many more services are yet to be covered under digital marketing. This is a very, you know, like uh, the major one, or the first thing that strikes when we hear the digital marketing. So to conclude this, as I wanted to tell you the usage of the future of digital marketing, how the future is going to be in digital marketing. The future of digital marketing is very near, very near. All businesses from all different fields will enter into this in order to gain sales or brand their business. By 2024, the presence of digital marketing will be more than 80% in our country. This is not only happening in our country, in entire world everything is getting digitalized. So by year 2024 or 2025, everything is going to be digitalized and digital marketing is going to rule the world. The job openings in this particular field will be high. We might have seen many job opportunities, many freelancing opportunities, many part-time opportunities. Like, we are required digital marketer, we are required poster designer, graphical designer, website designer, logo designer. Many openings are there in this particular field. Digital marketing with the help of artificial intelligence is the next tech that is going to rule the marketing era. As we know that there are some automation tools that are present today, like Zapier. These tools are almost the type of artificial intelligence where you no need to take care of every tool, and need to take care of every automation setup. Just by automating your Zapier tool, everything gets automated in just one place, and they started doing their own work. We will be able to target audience in even more simpler and easier way. Digital marketing will rule the world. This is for sure. Until until if there is no end for internet or digital medium, digital marketing has its own base. So guys, this is the end of session. If you have any questions regarding the topic, and if you are anything if you wanted to discuss, let me know in the comment section. Based on your comments, the further videos will be creating, and I will be sharing some more tips on some content that I know no one or kings here. Let us share the information among us. Let's be like let's start growing together.